Hi everybody, it's Jennifer LeBray, and today I'm going to show you a card that's made with the Love What You Do collection from Stampin' Up. This is the stamp set. It's gorgeous. It's actually part of a suite, so there are lots of coordinating products to go with it. But today we're going to use the stamp set, and this is the card we're going to do. It's I'm so lucky to have a friend like you. Okay, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is take some old olive cardstock, cut it in half, just like you would do for a standard card. And we're going to fold that and use our bone folder. Okay, we'll set that aside for later. Then we're going to take some very vanilla cardstock, cut it down to 5 1/4 by 4 inches. And this is what we're going to stamp our project on. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take out our I'm so lucky to have a friend like you stamp. And we'll grab a C block, put that right on there. And we're going to grab some of our Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And stamp it. Oh, I almost stamped it upside down. There we go. And about the top third of the sheet. Okay, we'll clean that off with our Stampin' Scrub. And put the stamp back in. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our H block and the long flower stamp from the stamp set. Put that right on there. And we're going to grab our Grapefruit Grove Stampin' ink. This is a new ink this year. Open that up. Gonna get that nice and juicy. And I'm just gonna grab a sheet of scratch paper here so that I don't get my table all dirty. Stamp that on there. There we go. Clean that off. Okay, next we're going to grab the little paint splotch that looks like it would be for filling a flower. Okay, we're going to grab that and our D block again, or our C block rather. For this, we're going to use the Daffodil Delight ink. Okay. We're just going to stamp off one time before we stamp on our flowers, and we're just going to go right in where the flower center would be. This gives it a little bit of a lighter impression so that the orange of the Grapefruit Grove really shines through. And we just follow it along with all the flowers we've stamped. See, that one didn't stamp quite all the way, but that's okay. We'll go right over it and make it better. There we go. Okay, clean this stamp off. And we're going to grab the tiny little leaf stamp. And the same block. For this one, we're going to use the Old Olive ink. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to stamp it off first. And then we're just going to find some random places to stamp the leaf. Whatever spaces you have available, it works. Okay, that just gives it a bit of contrast. Okay, clean this stamp off. I'll set it aside. And we're almost done. Next, we're going to take our snail adhesive. Just put some on the back of that panel. And we'll take our card base and just line it up right in the center there. Oh, I think I got it a little off center, but that's okay. And finally, we're going to take some of our rhinestones. There's the rhinestones. So pretty. I just love a little bling on a card. I'm just going to take a tweezers, grab the littlest one there is, and just put 3 of them on there. Oop. Sorry about that. They keep falling out of my tweezers. I think that one lost its adhesive. Let's try again. There we go. There's your beautiful card with the Love What You Do set. I will post all the products I used on my blog. If you want to check it out at jenniferlebray.com. Or you can order directly from my Stampin' Up site at jenniferlebray.stampinup.net. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.